Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan jelly. Start by melting sugar gently to create a clear, amber caramel and coat your mold while warm. Next, whisk eggs and condensed milk until smooth, strain the mixture, then bloom and dissolve the gelatin carefully to avoid lumps. Pour the custard over caramel, cool briefly at room temperature, then refrigerate until firm and slice with a hot knife for clean pieces. In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan jelly. Measure your eggs, condensed milk, and evaporated milk precisely, and use unflavored gelatin according to package strength for a consistent jiggle. Bloom gelatin in a little cold water first, then warm gently without boiling to fully dissolve. Combine the dissolved gelatin with the strained custard slowly, stirring to incorporate, then pour over pre-made caramel and chill until it holds a clean slice. In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan jelly. Cook the caramel on low heat and watch closely so it reaches a clear amber without burning, then pour immediately into your mold. When combining eggs and milks, stir gently and strain to remove air bubbles for a smooth texture. After adding dissolved gelatin, let the custard cool slightly before pouring to avoid cracking the caramel, then refrigerate until fully set and slice carefully for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.